Well, hello. Welcome to this edition of the Mediocre Maintenance Man. Today, have you ever been, do you enjoy having a toilet that won't flush? Or maybe it just doesn't work right? Well, today, we're going to learn how to turbocharge the toilet. So, I have in my hand a turbocharger from a 2014 Ford Escape. 1.6 liter motor. It's a turbocharger. We will not be using this at all today to turbocharge the toilet. I just want to show you the turbocharger. No. So anyway, are you still going to tape?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good. All right. So here we have a toilet. It's American Standard. The advertisements are like it flushes a bucket of golf balls, right? So this one we bought, like most normal new toilets, they take like 1.6 gallons to flush. This one's like 1.2. So anyway, so I thought, okay, we'll try it out. So we get the 1.2 gallon flush. Half the time we push the thing, won't flush. It just kind of gurgles at you. And so I thought, I can't have this. I gotta have my toilet to flush. I like a flushing toilet. So what I did was you come in here, I added this little rubber coupling to the filler tube and then adjusted the float so that we get more water in the tank. And I have essentially converted it to a 1.2 plus gallon flush. I don't know how many gallons it is, but anyway, so I meant to get my tape measure. I'll come back. I'll tell you how big. It's like a 1.5 inch maybe rubber coupler. Just tighten that down to the tube, adjusted this. Maybe a new video will show how to adjust the level of water in your toilet. There you go. Turbocharged toilet, flushing toilet.